Just as I can synchronize documents from OneDrive, I can also synchronize an entire document library with my computer. And we'll be using the same synchronization tool to do that. So simply go to the document library that you want to take offline to your computer. Click Sync. It says sync this library to your device for easy access, and it's going to sync it to whatever device I'm using right now, which in my case is a desktop. Click Sync Now, and it takes a moment. It says contacting the server. It's going to create a folder called SharePoint and then create a folder for this particular library inside of it. So let's click Sync Now. And as with the synchronization of OneDrive, it takes a moment while it gets ready to sync, but notice that it is Microsoft OneDrive for Business synchronization that is managing this. That's a significant change from earlier versions of SharePoint, where we had different tools to synchronize OneDrive versus synchronizing SharePoint. It says your files are syncing as we speak, and notice that in my user folder it's created a folder called SharePoint, and in that folder a folder called Team Landon SF, the name of the site, dash the name of the library, Documents. If I had multiple document libraries or multiple team sites that I was synchronizing libraries from, this system would make sure that my files were not confused or commingled, because each library and each site gets its own distinctive folder. So if I click Show My Files, here they are. What if I wish to stop syncing a library? First, why would I do that? Perhaps I'm done working with this project and I don't want to have these documents on my computer anymore. I would encourage you not to simply go delete the documents on your computer. You should first stop synchronization, and then if you wish, you can delete the local versions of those documents. But we're going to find the tools to do this in our OneDrive for Business app, which is down in the taskbar in Windows. So I'm going to open my OneDrive for Business folder, if I wish. Oh, everybody's there. Cool. But instead, I'm going to right-click, and instead of opening the folder or syncing a new library, I'm going to stop syncing a folder. And here are the two folders that we have started syncing. The first, OneDrive. The second, my Team Landon SF documents. And if I stop syncing, it will say it will permanently stop. Say yep. However, notice that the files I've already downloaded will be retained. Now, if I no longer want the files, I can delete them, but the synchronization pairing has already been removed. That's how you sync a library and how you stop syncing a library in SharePoint.